Hey everyone, if you're getting a TurboTax Update error and the software won't update properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through easy step-by-step fixes so you can solve TurboTax Update errors and keep your software running smoothly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Updates require a strong and consistent connection, so even small interruptions can cause the update to fail. Next, restart TurboTax and your computer. This clears temporary glitches or background issues that might be blocking the update process. Try running TurboTax as an administrator. Right-click the application and select Run as Administrator, which helps avoid permission-related problems during updates. Check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes security software blocks TurboTax from downloading updates, so make sure it's allowed through your system. If automatic updates don't work, try updating manually. Open TurboTax and use the Check for Updates option to install updates directly. If the error still continues, reinstall TurboTax. This replaces any corrupted or missing files that may be causing the update problem. Make sure your system meets TurboTax requirements. Outdated operating systems can cause compatibility issues that prevent updates from completing successfully. So yeah, those are the easiest ways to fix TurboTax update errors. Follow each step carefully, and your software should update without any problems. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more TurboTax tutorials for fast and easy solutions. Hey everyone.